Good evening. This village has no future. I am here just to give you some final warnings. I am not here to talk about birds and butterflies. I am not here to tell you about poetry, dance, drama, music. This village has no future. The reason is simple. This meeting was not necessary if, with the power and trust of your vote, which we imposed on the day of ballot, we hold elections under the Constitution of India. We hold elections in the name of Constitution of India. I have written policies for the government. Why 2 crores? If you can spend 200 crores, I'll get it from Parrikar or even Prime Minister. It's not the question of getting money. It is the question of realizing where the power lies. It lies with you, with your vote. And all those whom you elected, they have brought this crisis here. You have to throw that crisis right back in their lap. Right back in their lap. Because today we have seen the complete sellout of Goa. I can give you a big list of agitations and movements in which myself, ex-MLA Victoria Fernandez, and so many had participated. All our sacrifices seems to have gone to waste, because the day I saw a massive structure, Padpodukar construction is a very famous construction in Goa, in which politician's name this Padpodukar construction is constructing a hotel near Madonna Pharmacy. At that moment, I realized that there is no future for the village. When I saw a garbage dump coming to the field which we saw with our eyes from our school days, because I was educated for 2 standards in that primary school near that same place in Segunbai. And you see that garbage dump, नव्याचे फेस्त जाता, ताज्या कुशीच्या शेतान garbage dump. आता थंय pot हाडून दवरल्या, and some sort of, a screen has been created there instead of putting a cross there or some paijala lavcha poili, what you see in. So this is not an idea of a village which has future. First of all, a village has to be united. Today I don't see, except majority members from a particular community, representatives from all those who are originally members of the Comunidad or the village community of Kalapur, village community of Morambi, and village community of Kujira. Your forefathers had founded this. Your forefathers. You should have been here in a very large number. Then those who have come later and settled, they should have been also here. And most important, this village is one of the largest. It is larger than CCP. Kalapurcho area asa 10 square kilometers, including Kujira, little more. That is 1,000 hectares. And one of the most fertile 3-crop area. 16 salt pans. You must have seen 16 salt pans were there. Ata dono salt pan asa. It was once exporting salt to Burma, Sri Lanka, East Africa. I can go on about past, what we have seen in past. We can become like Father Nicholas, very nostalgic. This village has seen poets like Paulino Dias, and the roots of the great poet Dom Moraes are here. Antonio Piedad Moraes, who built the gateway of India is from a son of this village. And I can list a large number of Teresa Albuquerque who expired last year. She wrote a book on this village, Santa Cruz, a village in Goa. We have excellent, rich, natural and cultural heritage, but this village has no future. The reason is very simple. You have elected spineless leader. There is a huge difference between leaders and dealers. For dealers, development becomes a disease because there is D in both. Development becomes synonymous with disease. The decision to sell out all the tenanted land in this Santa Cruz area, Fujairah area, has already been taken in Dubai, Singapore, Noida, Bangalore, Chennai and other places. The whole Tiswadi is going to be auctioned in coming years. Whichever party, Congress, BJP or combination or hybrid comes to power, this is foregone conclusion that all the uncultivated tenanted land in island of Tiswadi with 160 square kilometer geographical area has already been auctioned for about 25,000 crore rupees. The question is, power is in your hand. Every 5 years you ask for a football ground, you ask for this and that, water supply, bus stand, bus stop, market. You do not ask for conservation and preservation of life support systems of the village. That is never a priority in any election. And poiso koisun eta. एक नावा घेत MLA ची, ex-MLA ची, एक-एकल्याची सारखी काढत. You see their way of living, sources of known and unknown sources of income, and you will wonder from where the money to get elected in politics comes. There are politicians in India also who are very simple, farmers in North India and all. तांकां लोकांच्या फोर्साचेर ते येतात. तांणी काय करूंक ना, जेलीन सुद्धा गेले जाल्यार ते येतात. They are not very rich. पूण भितर काळजान खंय तरी मातयेचो मोग आसता. आमचे कडेन पॉलिटिशियन आहा तांकां मोताचो मोग आहा, मोताचो मोग, मातयेचो ना, लोकांचो ना. मोग जर मातयेचो आनी लोकांचो आसलो, आय थॉट बोंडवलाचेर एक मिटींग घेतली थंय आनी जायतो फोग काडलो. That time I had already cautioned all of you. I have the recording of that full speech. Many times I have become very angry. कितें जाता, I am reaching 60 years. Victoria is there, Mami ata 85 cross जातली. This year already she has crossed and she is not keeping well. But the spark in her blood, which also entered my blood, has brought her here. She has no power. Victoria Fernandez, the woman who banged on the doors of the assembly, doors of the secretariat when she was so young, charming and beautiful, she is here. She is here with spiritual power. She is here to inspire your spirit. Why she has walked all the way? She is not keeping well. When I met her last time, I was feeling very sorry. Because together, when she was an active, vibrant, vocal MLA in Legislative Assembly, 25 resolutions, absolutely revolutionary, she has passed after discussion with the best of the people. But here is the case. Here is the case. This is a non-political issue today. This is an issue of people's unity. That's why this is easy to scrap. This is easy to scrap. Why it is easy to scrap? You can bring calling attention motion. The Congress party MLA is here. His entire high command can apply pressure even in Parliament and Rajya Sabha. They have the voice. Congress party is not dead. Opposition in India is not dead. This is democracy. Judiciary is vigilant. Press is active. So what one should be afraid of? If the MLA did a mistake, he can definitely improve upon it. If the Sarpanch and the Panchas think that there is future for the village and what Kamath is saying is all nonsense. Let us meet on 5th March 2021. I wish Father Alexander Pereira will be here on 5th March 2021. Can any parishioner tell me the importance of the day of 5th March 2021 here among the audience? Please tell me. What is the importance of the day 5th March 2021 here on this place, on this soil, in this village? Tell me, what is the importance of 5th March 2021? Anybody knows? It is 475th anniversary of Church of Holy Spirit Santa Cruz. हिस्ट्री आमच्या रक्तान गेल्या, ह्या गांवच्या कणाकणांतल्यान आमच्या रक्तान गेल्या. For 30 years we have been struggling and we are still on street. I met people, workers who were active in opinion poll. Then they were active in Konkani agitation. Thereafter they were active in statehood agitation. Then they were on street to stop flooding of the fields and the roads. And they were recently agitating on Bonwal Lake. I congratulate you. Please give a loud applause for Arthur. Please give a loud applause. You are shameless people. Absolutely shameless people have applauded now. You are absolutely shameless people. I am insulting you. I am deliberately insulting you. You are applauding his defeat in this village panchayat election. You have made him a martyr for a cause. A village like Santa Cruz Kalapur, which defeats a crusader like him, has no future. If it were to have a future, you would not have applauded. You would have protested, saying we protest that people did not elect him unopposed. Because he, me, many like us, we are fighting another battle. I am Vice President of Mahadevi Bachao Abhiyan. For last 20 years, we are fighting on that cause. It's a huge battle. This is not the place to tell you how big is the battle for securing water's security of our future generation. And please mind you, I apologize if I insulted you. You can slap me here, you can kick me, you can even kill me. It doesn't matter. If my own brothers and sisters kill me, it will be good for me. Because at least it will save me to see the suicide, the harakiri of my village. Think about it. What you cannot do. You can write. You can write to all editors. You can take delegations to every minister. You have Zilla Panchayat member. Where is he? He is sitting here somewhere. We have Panch members. What have they done in their ward? Are there any ward committees? I had brought here the documents, but fortunately Dominic Bab has already given the whole gazetted notification. I had brought here full gazetted notification for that village development council, but my heart sank. My heart absolutely sank when Dominic Bab gave a small figure of 2 crore for a village which is 10 square kilometer, 95% literate, has contributed so much in sports, in education, in art and culture and dance and music, and there is hardly any country on this planet where Santa Cruz cars have not made a name. Tell me. They have made a name. Everywhere. France, Korea, Singapore, England, America, I can tell you. कालापूरच्या लोकांनी नाव जोडला, नामना जोडल्या. या विलेजीक 2 कोटी, आम्ही रगत हटायला त्याची किंमत 2 कोटी. I will talk to Finance Secretary right now here, Daulat Hawaldar, and I will question him because I have advised this government on 14th Finance Commission. I am advising this government on 15th Finance Commission. आमची power इतली तितली ना. We can get lot of money, but it's not question of money. It is a question of leadership. Our leaders have been silenced. That's why you have this here. Where are the leadership? Where are the leaders and their leadership? Throw the ball back in their court. Assembly session will be there for more than a month. You can raise questions. You can give notices of calling attention motion. You can ask for special discussion. You can put a private member's resolution and you can get support of all the parties. Personally, I am going to call all those people who are outside BJP and tell them, you will suffer in the next election if you support this. I already told the government I am not supporting this. Because this village has a very, very ancient history. लोकांनी खूप सॅक्रिफायस केला आमची शेतां वयर काडपाक चिखलांतल्यान न्हंयतल्यान खूप सॅक्रिफायस केला. घाम असो ओत्तालो सारको पळयला हांवें जोताच्या फाटल्यान. दनपारां पावसान जोत घालपाचें आनी हांगा फुटबॉल हांगा व्हॉलीबॉल ग्राउंडार तेच शेतकार आमचे व्हॉलीबॉल बरे पैकी खेळटाले. असले खेळगडे आमी पळयल्या. हांगा टुर्नामेंट जाताले बऱ्या पैकी व्हॉलीबॉल प्लेयर्स. Next day morning you will see them in the salt pans, producing salt. And very peaceful, tranquil life. Very culturally, very talented life. I can name so many sports people. Collect signatures of all those who will join the protest. But here we have an assembly. Here we have a Lok Sabha. Knock on the door of the MP that you have elected and sent and who have become minister. How many of us have represented to North Goa MP and the Ayush Minister Shripad Naik? He cannot support this. How many of us have returned to Zilla Parishad? How many of us have approached the MLAs? You may not know anything about it. Because somebody else, the money bags, they are deciding the future of ecology, environment, biodiversity, water resources, cultural heritage here. Otherwise, we would not have brought these concrete monstrosities in the village. Second document that I have, this I am passing on to the Honorable Sarpanch here. Please give him. You must be already having it. No problem, sir. If you need any help, we can give. Solution is given in a report. Arthur Bob may know, you know this report, Scream report. Scream report, which was prepared by my good friend Reggie Gomes, is the guiding torch. How to go about it. How to go about it, what are the solutions at micro level. I have gone through this. I don't have to tell you who this humble person, an activist, a crusader, a do-gooder, a socially concerned person, Reggie Gomes is. We have worked together in Raponkar movement, anti-nylon 66 movement, Konkan Railway alignment movement against five-star tourism. We have been shoulder to shoulder together in all movements. Sometimes with Mathani Saldana, sometimes Christopher Fonseca, we have been Sergio Carvalho, we have been together. Many times Victoria Mami was also there. So Reggie Gomes is an asset to the village. Please involve him. I don't know, I have not met him for many days. And this is the solution he has given for village's future. I don't see. After 2009, 8 years back, this solution was given. How the village should be planned, conserved and preserved. How every square centimeter of the village should be considered. Just listen, this is a final warning. I sent all the details to Chief Minister many years back when he took over. He did not know this. I told him these things. I just asked him, do you know? Your officers know? Your departments know? Goa is a small state, number one. Area is 3,701 square kilometer. That is 3,70,100 hectares. Then I gave him complete calculation. Point number one, I said, can you use our reserved forest land, our wildlife sanctuaries for development? No. So straight away 1,25,000 hectares you cannot use for generations to come. Then I gave him other statistics. Coastal regulation zone, you cannot use it. Mangroves, you cannot use. Area under industrial estate, only for industries, nothing else can come. Area under existing settlements like Santa Cruz, Taligaon, Mercedes, there are restrictions. So for any future development, for any future growth, for any future planning, how much area is left in Goa? I showed him the calculation. It is 42,000 hectares only. That makes the state of Goa, in terms of land assets, I am reiterating this, state of Goa in Republic of India, in terms of land assets for future planning, spatial planning, all types of physical development, road development, construction, playgrounds, schools, hospitals, crematoriums, anything for generations to come, taking into consideration growth of population. We are already 65% urbanized. By 2021 census, when this church will celebrate 475th anniversary, we will be 75% urbanized. Today I am standing here, you are sitting there, and we are discussing this whole disease, which is the name of development, has come to us because we are facing the price for unsustainable, haphazard urbanization. Because they are not prepared to accept that Santa Cruz is a village panchayat. So, this is the situation with Goa having only 420 square kilometer or 42,000 hectares land for all times to come till sun and moon last. We become most vulnerable state in the world. And inside this most vulnerable state in the world is a beautiful village, 1500 years old, called Kalapur, Santa Cruz, which has become also extremely vulnerable. After 2-3 years, नव्याचे फेस्त करपाक तुमका शेत सुद्धा मेळपाचे ना. This is the reality. So I don't want to take your time and Arthur's time because he gave me a very short notice. Somebody gave me a wrong idea that I will speak on biodiversity, birds, butterflies, bees, mushrooms, ants, termites, elephants. No, I am not interested. I see my village dying and I need an answer. Why is it dying? Or something inside us is dying? Or are we committing a mass suicide? Are we training, educating, empowering the young generation in our houses? Where are they? I see 50% people here above 50, 60, 70. Where are the young people? The thousands of students who are taking education in various educational institutions in this area, Santa Cruz area. Where are they? Is this not their battle? Would they not be voters of tomorrow? Would they not vote in the coming elections? Should not they be aware of what is in store for them and their children and their grandchildren? Because आमच्या जाणटेल्यांनी हे सगळें दिलें. आमी कितें केलां नवें? What new things we have created? आमी नवे दोंगर केले, आमी नव्यो पोयो बांदल्यो, आमी नवे खाजनाचे बांद बांदले, आमी नवी आग्रा बांदली, आमी नवे प्लांटेशन लायले, कितले व्हडले 2 माडांनी प्लांटेशन असले कोकोनट. आमी आतां टोडी काडपाचे नवे आतां उद्योगधंदे हाडले. आमी कितें नवे कालापुरान नॅचरल एसेट्स केल्यात, आमी आसा ताचे पार्ट घाले. कालापुराचे फ्लडिंग जावपाचें आसा. यू विल रीड माय आर्टिकल्स. कालापुराचेर आख्खांताची दुयेंसां व्हायरल बॅक्टेरियल येवपाची आसात. मीठ लोक मरपाचो आसा. I'm not cursing. I can see this because this has happened in Madagascar. Recently it happened, a plague came there. Wherever there is garbage, wherever there is no proper sewage treatment, wherever there is no proper sanitation, wherever during the feast you give anyone any permission, you can see who has put up stall and how many are Kalapurkars, Santa Cruz people, and how they are allowed to throw rubbish everywhere. And you go near 4 pillars and tell me how in tenanted lands you can put factories like that. And they are going on and on. Somebody also has an idea to put a market complex near 4 pillars and they are prepared to pay crores to get the whole project passed. I am hearing all sorts of news items. Bridges are built here and beware, please oppose any new road with 10-meter width. Do you know why 10 meters wide road are built? Anybody has any idea? Please answer. 10 meter कोणा खातीर जाय रस्ते? गावान आसा 14,000 लोक आमच्या, 14,000 people. कोणाक जाय 10 meter road? You see the Taligaon development model. एक्स MLAच्या दारान जाता तोय उदकाचे, ताजे सेक्रेटरीक सांगलें अरे पळय तुजे पयलीं पळय म्हणून. आतां इगोरीच्या कुशीक शेत पुरोवन व्हडलो पाडपडकाराचो प्रोजेक्ट येता, पाडपोडूकाराचो व्हडलो प्रोजेक्ट येता. ते पाडपोडूकाराचो प्रोजेक्ट हांगाय आयला आनी ते सगळो उबो दांडो सेंट ऑगस्टीन वॉर्ड बुडपाचो आसा. कीप युअर लायफ जॅकेट्स अँड मोटर बोट्स रेडी बिफोर ऑगस्ट. प्लीज कीप रेडी बिकॉज कालापुरा 3000 मिलियन लिटर्स पावसाचे उदक पडटा ऑन 1000 hectares. Have you ever thought about it? How the Comunidad of Kalapur, Comunidad of Morumbi and Comunidad of Kujra sat together and worked for years to provide for drainage of these 3000 million liters of rain. It has to go to Mandavi River without stagnation, without flooding of low-lying areas, without causing diseases, without taking lives. What is the drainage planning of this entire belt? Show me on Google. Show me in government records. Sabina Martins came here. Sabina Martins is not an expert in urban geography or planning. GBA has done a lot of destruction of planning process in last 10-15 years, 2006 onwards. I don't want to go into it, but the question is, we brought Town and Country Planning Act, dump that regional plan your own. Under 73rd and 74th Amendment, you have the powers. If Panchayat prepares a special development plan, discusses it, court can uphold it, assembly can pass it, you can get tremendous support. Who will do it? We have tens of architects and engineers, young engineers, dynamic people in the village. You need to rope them and give them. I would request the village Panchayat of Santa Cruz to have a freeze on new constructions, to have a freeze on multi-storied constructions, to have a freeze on constructions without setback. And all these answers are there, solutions are